Okay guys, what's up? Today's video is actually not going to be on stocks because I did not trade anything. But today is going to be on basically how I've taken my YouTube channel, which I had help at the beginning, which was TechBud Solutions, and then that didn't work out. Um, I don't really trade like they do, so but that's okay. I mean, I admire Ricky. I think he's created an awesome business model. Um, I think he's created an awesome way. I mean, I like how he does the cars. I plan on doing the cars in the future. I've learned a lot from him. Um, I was profitable before I met him, but I mean, like the swing trading and stuff like that, I've been looking at getting into. Have not done that yet, but that'll be something in the future. But right now, I'm literally sitting at home, and I knew I had to make a video for you guys, and this is basically how I grew my YouTube channel to 26 subscribers realistically without any help. Yet I got basically 5 of them from TechBud Solutions when I posted like my 5 videos on there, and then we kind of just grew apart and we had different ideas. But that's okay. So, and a way to grow your YouTube channel, which my YouTube is over here. So if you guys know, this will be, if you guys know how to look for titles, you can do this. Basically what I did for this video exactly. But let's go to my channel, and you can go through here, and then you can see that I am almost getting like 100% consumption, if not more on some videos compared to my subscribers. So I have 26 subscribers, right? And I'm getting 39, 49, 37 views, 38 views. Some of them are lower, some of them are higher. But that's with growing. I mean, as you can see down here, I have a couple of them in the hundreds, 30s again, back up to 100, stuff like that. But what's awesome about it is you can go to Facebook, and I've seen multiple people do this, and I've got the idea from other people. I'm not going to lie. I wasn't the first one to think of this. But you have all this other stuff in the background. I have people on here. But what I did is I created this group. And it's very simple. I'm going to change this picture. This was the only picture I had on there. This is actually a thumbnail for a video that I'm going to do in the next couple days. My brother created it for me already. And as you see, you can post videos in here, and then you can go over here and you can add people to it. It's basically building a group. The other one that I did, Entrepreneur Motivation, if you want to be in there, I post pretty much daily. The link is in the description. This link will also be in the description if you want it. But you can add people. Boom. Let's add some more people. Why not, right? Just add some people on here. I don't add my friends and family because I just don't think they need to. If they want to find my videos, they can find my videos. But seen by 15, automatically, boom. And there's only like 31 members. That's half the group. And I'm the admin, so it pops up on the top. So whatever your niche is, you create a group. And there's another guy that did this, so let's see if I can find him. Crypto Mike. And I'm friends with this guy. I trade stocks, but he trades cryptocurrencies, and that's fine. It's not really trading for him. It's more like investing for him. Me, it's trading. So here you go. See, he pops his. He's the admin, so it automatically pops up here, even though it doesn't show him as the admin. And then he shares other things. Some other people are starting to show in here. He posts videos through Facebook too. So not only is he doing it on Facebook, but he's also doing it on here. And this is very, very simple, in my opinion. So what I recommend doing is building a group on Facebook. So, and you can go to other groups. What I did is I literally just searched stock market investing, and I joined a bunch of groups. It took a day or two to get into all of them after you answer their questions and everything, and then you're in. And then you can start adding people as friends, and then basically as they're on your friends, either you can look for them. So I don't even know. Let's just start JE. You can just add some people. These are, I don't even know who this is, so why not add them? Or they'll people suggestions will pop up here. You can add those people if you don't want certain people. X X, X. You get the point. You can do multiple people. So with that being said, it's very simple to build that around, and then you will see views kind of grow. I've seen this multiple people do this. Yes, I do a lot of stocks. I'm starting to show how I'm doing faster and faster. My Instagram is up from, I believe it was like 1,200 on there, and I quit doing that every day. But it was a really cool thing because it was really fast and easy. But I just quit doing this video. What I did in this video. If you want to, definitely check it out. It'll be at the end of the video. You just click on the box, click on that, and watch that video on how you can grow your Instagram 100 plus followers every day. And it's pretty simple, really easy actually. And then you get to utilize everything. So Instagram, what I do is I post my photos of my pictures, or I post photos of my thumbnails on there and say, hey, the new video's up, link in the bio, things like that to grow your YouTube channel. There's just multiple ways to grow your YouTube channel, guys. You just got to get in front of as many people as possible. I'm going to be doing a video on how I'm growing it on Reddit, and then also a couple of other little things that basically will take up one whole video as well. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to make it short, sweet, simple. But yeah, creating a Facebook group to grow your YouTube channel will definitely help it. As you can see, this was the 38, how to get financial freedom, which is a good video. I thought my brother edited it. It was really good, and you can see it has a lot of views compared to some of the other ones that I've done in the past few weeks. So again, and daily uploads help a ton, guys. It really does help in the algorithm. So thank you guys for watching. I would hope to see you guys in the next upcoming videos. And that's pretty much going to be a wrap for today. So please smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.